Good morning, student. Welcome to online class arranged by Rajur Girls High School. Let me give my introduction. Myself Binoy Shikiri, Assistant Teacher English, Rajur Girls High School, Rajur, Madarpur. And my class is for class 7, subject English, second paper, title Parts of Speech. Dear student, look at the sentence and look at the picture and read the sentence below. This sentence is that great, they usually play cricket with their friends and elders in the afternoon. In this sentence, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In this sentence, there are 13 words. All the words are meaningful, so these meaningful words make a sentence. So, what is the discussion today? Our today's lesson is parts of speech. Or the parts of speech means a part of a sentence. After read the lesson, student will able to what will get the student from this discussion. We will see it. Understand parts of speech. They will able to understand parts of speech. Identify different parts of speech. Identify noun from any sentence. Write sentence using nouns. They will able to understand 4 section. Understand parts of speech. They will understand parts of speech. Identify different parts of speech. In this sentence, they try to find the parts of speech. Identify nouns from any sentence and write sentence using noun. What is parts of speech? The definition is that the meaningful words which are used in the sentence are called parts of speech. Without meaningless sentence will not parts of speech. Only meaningful sentence which will make the sentence is called a parts of speech. সেন্টেন্স বা বাক্যে ব্যবহৃত প্রত্যেকটি অর্থবোধক ওয়ার্ড বা শব্দকে পার্টস অফ স্পিচ বলে। ইফ উই গেট ওয়ান ওয়ার্ডস ইট উইল বি পার্টস অফ স্পিচ। ইফ উইল গেট টু ওয়ার্ডস ইন উইল বি পার্টস অফ স্পিচ ইফ দ্য ওয়ার্ড মিনিংফুল। Please see this sentence again. Well, we usually play cricket with our friends and elders in this afternoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In this sentence, there are 13 words. Here, will is interjection, we is pronoun, usually is adverb, play is verb, cricket is noun, with is preposition, our is adjective, friend is noun, and is conjunction, elder is noun, in is preposition, the is adjective, afternoon is adverb. So, in this sentence all the words has a name. Kinds of parts of speech. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech according to their use of function in a sentence. If we try to find the parts of speech, we will get 8 kinds of parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Dear student, after finishing this portion, you will try to write down on your notebooks only 2 answers. How many parts of speech are there in English? 8. And write down their name in their exercise book. Next, look at the picture. So, let's discuss about the individual parts of speech now. Look at this picture. In this picture, there are many things. We will find the parts of speech among this picture. These 2 pictures indicates person. This one picture indicates objects. This picture indicates place. This picture indicates fruits or flower. This picture indicates animal or birds. This picture indicates river, season or place. This picture indicates games or sports. This picture indicates fish. They also indicate vegetables, action and also the quality. If we try to find out the noun, we have to know about the name of person, name of object, name of fruits and flower, name of place or country, name of animal and birds, name of river, season, ocean, name of games and sports, name of fish and name of vegetable, name of action and also name of quality. Noun. Let's discuss about the function of noun. The name of anything is called noun. If we get any name, anything is called a noun. More example of noun. Please see, person. This is the name of some person and or the person must be noun. Object. This is the name some object. It will be noun. Place or country. This is the name of some place and country. Fruits and flower. This is the name of some fruits and flower. They will be noun. This is the name of animals and birds. They will be noun. This is also the name of river and season. Next, this is name of game and sports. This is name of fish. This is name of vegetables. This is name of action and also this is name of quality. Individual word. If you understand about this function, you will try to identify some noun from this sentence. Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. I bought a what was yesterday. He lives in Bangladesh at Govindapur. I love to eat orange, etc. Please see this noun. Sentence number 1, Kazi Nazrul Islam is noun, poet, which was Bangladesh. This is the place, organization, cat, land, rivers. All these words indicate some place, some person, some vegetables, some fruits, etc. After lesson, you will try to do something at your home. The homework is what is parts of speech, how many kinds of parts of speech, and write 5 sentences using noun. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.